Morning students, today I will teach class 9th chapter 8, that is motion. In previous lecture we had read about the different aspects of the motion. In today's lecture I will discuss about the equation of motion. So these are the equation of motion which are helpful to calculate the different physical quantities. So there are three equations of motion that are prominent in this chapter. That is V is equals to U plus AT, S is equals to UT plus half AT square, and the third is V square minus U square equals to 2AS. So here, suppose a body is moving with initial velocity U. So a body is not at rest, it has some initial velocity, that is U. So here this is the initial velocity, that is U. So body is at the point A. So after coming to rest, the body is at point B having the final velocity V. So the point is B. So I will consider the point C here and point D here. Here it is E, or here it is a time coordinate in second, and the velocity is in meter per second. It is along the y-axis. So suppose a body is moving with initial velocity u and the final velocity v. So here we have to calculate first v is equals to u plus 80. From this graph we have the component v as well as u and as well as t. So we have to calculate acceleration. As all we know, the acceleration is change in velocity over change in time. So here change in velocity. The first velocity is CE and final velocity is DE. So we can say DE minus CE upon the body is firstly at 0 second and after that it covers the distance in t seconds. So it is t minus 0, or we can say OE minus 0. So DE is V and CE is U. So t minus 0 is t. So what we get? We get t comes here. AT is equals to V minus U. So next is, after the simple rearrangement, we get U is equals to, we have to calculate V. So V is equals to U plus AT. So here we calculate the equation number 1. So by simple rearranging, we have to calculate V. So I take U at this side. So V is equals to U plus AT. So next is S is equals to UT plus half AT square. So S is the distance. So in velocity time graph, the area under the curve is the distance traveled by the body. So distance traveled by body equals to, that is area of that rectangle plus area of that triangle. So area of rectangle plus area of triangle. So area of rectangle, what is the name of rectangle? OECA. OECA. Area of triangle ACD. ACD. So OECA. What is the area of rectangle? That is length multiplied breadth. So here is length multiplied breadth. So it is CE multiplied by OE. Area of triangle 1 by 2 base multiply height. What is the base of triangle? AC. What is the height? CD. So CE. What is CE? CE is U. What is OE? OE is T. 1 by 2. What is AC? AC is also T. What is CD? So here you have to know CD is change in velocity. That is V minus U. So full is V, small is U. That portion is V minus U. So CD is V minus U. So here U into T plus 1 by 2 T multiply V minus U. Here you can see V minus U is 80. How we get? From equation 1. So S comes out to be UT plus half multiply 80 multiply T. So S is UT plus half 80 square. So this is the equation of motion in terms of distance. Next is V square minus U square equals to 2AS. So here we have to calculate S. So similarly from velocity time graph, you can calculate the area under the curve. So the area under the line is the trapezium. So we can say that S is equals to area of trapezium, or you can also calculate similarly as rectangle plus triangle. So area of trapezium is sum of parallel sides divide by 2 multiply by height. So sum of parallel sides. So here the parallel sides are OA and ED. So it is OA plus ED divide by 2 multiply. What is height? So OA ED. What is height? That is AC. So what is OA? OA is U. What is ED? ED is V. Divide by 2 into. What is AC? So here AC is T. So from equation number 1, we can calculate T. So what is T here? So T is V minus U upon A. So you can write equation number 1 here. So T is V minus U over A. So it is V minus U over A. It comes out from equation 1. So it is U plus V upon 2 or V minus U upon A. So you can simply write U plus V as V plus U. So it is A plus B, A minus B. What is A plus B, A minus B? A square minus B square upon A. So here it is S. So after rearranging that 2 as well as A, we get V square minus U square equal to 2AS. These are the 3 equations that are very important as a derivation. So we will do the numerical. So students, we will start with the numericals related to the equation of motion. So first numerical is a car is moving from rest with uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 4 minutes. Find the speed. So here a car is moving from rest, which means initial velocity is 0 with uniform acceleration. A is 0.1 meter per second square for 4 minutes. T is 4 minutes. 0 के साथ 0 cancel. So 0 plus 24. So v is 24 meter per second. So it is the velocity. So is that clear to you? So the next numerical is the brake applied to a car produces deceleration. So deceleration means negative acceleration. So brake applied to the car, which means final velocity is 0, initial velocity is not known. If car required 2 seconds to stop, so t is 2 seconds. Find the distance after brake. So first, for calculating s, we have to know u. U is ut plus half at square. We have a, we have t, but we have not u. Clear? So s is ut plus half at square. We have not u. So firstly, we have to calculate u from the equation 1. B is equals to u plus at. B is 0, u not known, a is minus 6 and t is 2. So u is 6 into 2, 12. So u comes out to be 12 meter. So here we have to calculate s. Put the value of u 12, t 2, half. A is minus 6, t is 2 square. So it is equal to 24 minus 2 is to 2, 4 is to 3, 12. So it is 12 meter. So it is S, that is 12 meter. So clear? Okay. So the next numerical is a bus is moving with speed 72 km per hour. So it is U, 72 km per hour. So convert it into meter per second. 4, it is 20 meter per second. Can be stopped, which means the final velocity is 0. After at least 10 minutes, s is 10 meter, after at least 10 meter, so it is 10. What will be the minimum distance? So we have to calculate next distance when the bus move at 144 kilometer. So what will be the minimum stopping distance? So cars has initial velocity u, that is 144 kilometer per hour. So 144 into 5 by 18, 8 meter per second, and the next final velocity is 0. For calculating s, we have to know t, but we have the other equation, that is v square minus u square is 2as. For that, we have to know the value of a. We have e, we have u, we didn't have a, so we have to calculate a. So from these three, we will calculate the a. So that is v square minus u square is 2as. What is v? 0. What is u? 20. 2a. What is s? That is 10. So it is minus 428. So it is 400 by 20. It is minus 20 meter per second square is a. Clear? So next is v square minus u square is 2s. Here v is 0, u is 40 square, a is minus 20, s we have to calculate. So 40 square is 1600 minus 40s. So 1600 upon 40 is 40s. That is 40 meter is S. So here are the numericals related to three equations. So I will attach few numericals in PDF. You will try to solve and ask any query. Thank you.